Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to master that vintage look for your next t-shirt design? Click Create, select Custom Size, and enter your desired dimensions. Next, go to Elements and type Give Me Surf in the search bar. Apply a retro effect to the image by selecting the appropriate filter or style option. Click Generate to create your content. Let's generate a retro text effect now. Here is the design ready for your t-shirt. Just go to the next step to proceed. Click Elements, then search for T-shirt. Select the Graphics tab. Locate a white t-shirt, for example this one. Add the element by searching for Mockup. Click All, then select Mockup. Alternatively, you can choose the square markup option to add a square-shaped mockup to your design. Find a mockup, select it, and resize it as needed. Center the image, then drag it to the desired spot. You can also try adjusting its position for better alignment. Resize this to make it a bit smaller. Place it in the middle, then trim it down as needed. This is our t-shirt design with a retro effect. Click Share, then download to save your design. Save the file as PNG or use PDF print for best results. Add CMYK for professional quality printing. Preview before you hit download. Now you know how to create retro text effects in Canva for t-shirts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips.